Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shauna. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for the latest reviews on beauty products and Victoria's Secret. So in this video, I would definitely like to share the review of the new oat line that Victoria's Secret has out now. So I've already done a video talking about all of the rewards they've got going on. They've got the gift cards. If you make a pink purchase, you get free items, or you pay $10 for a wrap towel. So I will go ahead and link that video for you to check out if you haven't seen that already. So without further ado, let me tell you what I think. So I really like the smell of this line. It smells like a bowl of oatmeal, like a bowl of sugary oatmeal with a hint of like sweet spices. Very, very, very delicious. I use the lotion. I also use the smoothing clay mask, and it was very soothing. And that's what it looks like. It was very smoothing, very, very fragrant. And I felt it went on cool, and it was just very, very calming. Like, this line is a very like natural smelling, natural feeling, like fragrant line. I'm really enjoying it. And then I also got the oat scrub, oatmeal plus coconut oil. And let me tell you, you only need a little bit of this. Like, I made the mistake of like taking out a big glob. I mean, it lathered really, really well. It's got the crystals in it for exfoliating, and a little bit definitely goes a long way. So I'm really enjoying this line. I would kind of wish that they would come out with a fragrance mist for this line, because I actually do. I mean, the bowl of oatmeal sweet scent is like a good change of pace, especially if you want to relax, you want to unwind. You don't necessarily want to be bombarded with a bunch of florals and perfumey scents. It's just very, very relaxing. So I definitely am enjoying this. Please comment and let me know if you've tried it, what your thoughts are. I love to know that you guys stopped by. And as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.